Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your sir. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. We are doing IGCSE Year 11 Algebra 2, and this is exercise 10. Now, here, these are word problems, and I have seen many kids having trouble in doing word problems. The first and the foremost thing is whenever you are writing an exam, understand that you have got you will have approximately 10 lessons, approximately, and there would be approximately, say, 12 exercises in your textbook. The first thing that you are trying to understand is when you're having a question, read the question and find out from which lesson is the question. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to first read the question. After reading the question, don't try to jump into a solution. Once you read the question, you will know that from which lesson is the question. Okay, and then afterward, from which exercise is the question. And after getting that information, then there is something which I say is GAF method. This is a method which I teach every single child. What is GAF, sir? GAF is you need to write what is given. What are they asking? Okay, and which formula I'm going to apply in this question. Okay, now let's see what is this all about. Okay, for now I know this is from variation and it is from direct. This is known because I'm solving that exercise. But if in case if you get a question in your exam paper, relax yourself, read the question. S is proportional to V minus 1 the whole square. If, okay, S is proportional to V minus 1 the whole square. What is given? S is equal to 8, then, okay, they are saying if S is equal to 8, when V is equal to 3. First thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this equation. So this I will change it to S is equal to K V minus 1 the whole square. Where what is K? K is the constant. That is the first step which I'm going to do. So now how will I write this? I can write this equation as K V minus 1 the whole square is equal to S. I can write this as V minus 1, oh sorry, proportional. So V minus 1 the whole square is equal to Ks. And K will be equal to, I can rewrite this equation as Ks is equal to V minus 1 the whole square, where I am trying to find K as a subject. So K is equal to V minus 1 the whole square upon S. Now, I have been given that V is 2. Substitute the value. So what will I get? K is equal to 2 minus 1 the whole square upon 8. And what is 2 minus 1? 1 the whole square upon 8. And that is nothing else but 1 upon 8. So I have found the value of K. Now let me just erase all the other things. Okay. So I have got K is equal to 1 upon 8. Now what is the question saying? The value of K, value of S, this one. Value of S, I need to find this for V is equal to 4. So S is equal to k d minus 1 the whole square. S is equal to, what is k? 1 upon 8 into, what is V? 4. 4 minus 1 the whole square. What do I get? So this can be written as 4 minus 1 the whole square upon 8. And that is nothing else but 3 the whole square upon 8. And that is nothing else but 9 upon 8. Hope you have understood it. I think you can do the same way for this equation to find this value. All right? You need to practice on it. Now, similarly, if you notice the other question, almost all these questions are similar. Okay? So let's look at, okay, m varies as d plus 3. Now, I'm just going to do m varies with d plus 3. So what can I do? M is equal to k into d plus 3. And then this equation I can write like this. And what will happen? K is equal to m upon d plus 3. You can find the value of k, and after finding the value of k, you will be solving the equation. Okay, hope you can do this. In case if you're finding any challenge, do let me know. Let me go to the next question. Question number 10. They're talking of a pressure. The pressure of a water, P, pressure is denoted as P, at a point below the surface varies as the depth of the point below the surface distance. So this is equal to D. So P is equal to KD. I can write this as KD is equal to P. So K is equal to P upon D. And then I can solve it. All right. Next question. The distance D through which a stone falls from the rest is proportional to the square of the time taken. The distance, okay, is proportional to square of the time. That's it. So this can be written as D is equal to K T square. I can write this as K T square is equal to D. So K is equal to D upon T square. Find the value of K and then find the respective value, whatever is being asked. So this is what this exercise is all about, nothing much. Let me look at the 13th question. In the first few days of its life, the length of the worm, earthworm, L, is thought to be proportional to the square root of the number of hours, N, which have elapsed since its birth. L is proportional to square root of N. So L is equal to K root N. I can write this as K. I can write this as K root of N is equal to L. So K is equal to L upon root N. And then you solve it across. Hope you understood this, how to do it across. We will be going to the next question. From the next video, you will look at inverse. Now here till now what we have done is direct. Inverse is the second thing that we'll be doing. Thank you very much for watching. Be with me. Have a lovely day. Take care.